In today's video, I will show you how to play Ludo King without logging in. First, ensure you have Ludo King installed on your device from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once it's ready, go ahead and open the app. After the game finishes loading, you'll see several login options. Instead of signing in with Facebook or Google, simply select Play as Guest. This allows you to jump straight into the action by creating a temporary profile where you can choose a custom name and a fun profile picture. Once your profile is set, you're ready to play. If you are new to the game, a helpful tutorial will pop up to walk you through the basics of the board. You have two great offline options to choose from: Pass and Play. Select this in the main menu to play with up to 6 friends or family members using just one phone. Computer Mode. If you're playing solo, choose the VS Computer option. This is perfect for practicing your skills or passing the time without needing an active internet connection. And that's it. That's how you play Ludo King without logging in. Thank you for watching.